At Encore Wire, we manufacture copper and aluminum electrical building wire for the residential and commercial construction sector. And we were just recently acquired by the Prysmian Group and part of the Prysmian family now. The key in success to our growth has always been our ability to supply our customers with the products that they need in a timely fashion, ship on time with exceptional fill rates. In 2016, our partners at Rusco Packaging came to us with a Leibinger printer and wanted to know if we would like to run a trial. We ran a trial on one of our lines in our commercial building wire plant. I've used different printers in my 39 years in the wire business, and Leibinger has been far superior as far as reliability and performance and uptime.
The thing about a Leibinger printer does exactly what I say it's going to do. Your maintenance is going to be less. Your overall operating costs are going to be less. It's going to be easier to operate. It's just a better quality piece of equipment.
A few years after we started using the Leibinger printers, Leibinger had developed a high-speed rapid printer that they would like us to try. It will print on circuit-sized wire, very small wire, 16 gauge to say 8 gauge, and run up to high speeds that they were saying could perform up to 2,500 feet per minute. We ran the trial and their performance was exceptional. Now in that plant, in the circuit wire plant, we have replaced all of our other printers with the rapid high-speed printers.
We didn't have to do anything extraordinary to make the addition of Leibinger printers to Encore's inventory. It just worked because we knew that it would.
At Encore, we manufacture wire 24 hours a day, sometimes up to 7 days a week. It just depends on business. We're in Texas, and in Texas it gets very hot, and the printers perform very well in the heat, and they perform very well in colder months. They have printers that have run over 280 million print legends and still counting. Leibinger does manufacture their own inks, and so they can provide us with inks to have superior adhesion on our PVC, nylon, XLPE, whatever type of plastic we want to print on, that they will provide or develop the ink that will print onto that type of material. We have very strong relationships with our vendors and our suppliers and our customers. And in order to get something new in, it really has to be a superior product. I mean, for us to move on to something different, and Leibinger was. I would definitely recommend Leibinger printers for any industry that needs that type of printer.